Hello friends. So I always bring a latest model of AI and show you how you can create these kind of models and generate the realistic looking videos just for your professions.
Simple moments, real joy.
In the same way, today I'm going to review Google Veo 3.1, which is the modern latest version, along with Higgsfield AI to create some realistic looking videos and show you how does it look. This is a coming soon feature, but I have exclusive access so I can review it, create the videos and show you how you can use it and how is the result. So let's get started. First, you need to come to the tools website. The link you can find in the description. So tool name is Higgsfield AI. In last week only, I generated a cinematic video using its latest model VEO 2.5 and it was hands down. So I'm really fan of this tool. So first, let's create a real talking avatar using Higgsfield's latest models along with Google Veo 3.1. So we are going to create a model showing our products and talking with the natural sound. Let's see how to do it.
Your glow deserves more than filters. This is real. Glow begins here.
Go to Higgsfield, click on video feature on the left side, then click create video. Before generating the video, we first need to generate an image. So let's first create our image. Click on image feature, then click on create image. A chat panel will open. Here we need to enter our image prompt. So let me quickly enter mine. Then select the model. You can see many models are provided like Higgsfield Soul, Nano Banana, Seed Dream. So you can choose according to your preference. After this, in Photodome, you can upload your own image and generate 26 different styles. Then select the aspect ratio according to your need. Then select the image quality. Here you can also enhance the prompt. After that, select how many images you want to generate. Here you can also upload your own image to create your own character. Next, in visual style, you can see many style prompt provided. Select as you like. So after doing all this, finally click on generate. And in few minutes, our image will be generated. And here is the final image. Now, my channel supports more than 24 languages. So if you are not comfortable with English, change the language after going to settings, audio track and choose the language you are comfortable with.
यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि पीटर बॉक्स, बोतल, फूड पैकेजिंग, पाउच, कैन, जार और कई अन्य श्रेणियों में व्यवस्थित मॉकअप प्रदान करता है.
Now enjoy our videos and learn AI with me in your native language. So now that we have generated our required image, let's put this image into Higgsfield AI's latest offering, Google Veo 3.1 model, and generate a realistic looking, naturally speaking, our talking avatar with the perfect lip sync. Let's see how to do it. So go to video feature on the left side, click on create video. On the left, video style templates are provided along with models. So I'm going to select this model for my Veo 3.1 AI model. Then upload your image in upload image box to create this video. Then enter your prompt. I have already written mine, so I'm just going to enter it here. Here you can enhance the prompt. Next, you have to select the model. So you can see Higgsfield AI provides many models, but we will choose Google Veo 3.1 model, which is their latest offering. Then select video quality, then select the ratio, and finally click on generate. In few minutes, our video will be ready. Now let's take a look at our result.
Your glow deserves more than filters. This is real. Glow begins here.
It's fantastic, right?
Yes.
So if you want to create this kind of talking, realistic looking video, then I would suggest use Sol ID for the image generation and then select the Veo 3.1 for the video generation. Or if you don't like this combination, you can also try with Nano Banana seed dream, which I used along with the VEO 3.1 model, and you can create the best output. So now let's try another use case. This time I'll try to create a cinematic video using Higgsfield AI along with the Google Veo 3.1. Let's see how to do it and how is the result. So now I have already generated the image. You can generate yours as per your choice. Then go to Higgsfield again, click on video feature on the left side and click on create videos. On the left, video style templates are provided along with models. So I'm just going to select the general. You can select as per your choice. Then upload your image in the upload image box to create the video. Then enter your video prompt, and I have already written mine. So I'm just going to paste it here. So if you need all the prompt for these videos, just comment down VEO 3.1 prompt and also send me email on support@dolphy.io, and I can send you entire doc on your email. Here you can enhance your prompt. Next, select the model. This time choose Google Veo 3.1 model. Then select the video quality, select the ratio, and finally click on generate. And within few minutes, as usual, we are going to see how is the result. And here is the final result. Just take a look at the video quality and the sound effect. AI has come a long way, seriously. So now you have seen how Higgsfield AI's latest offering, Google Veo 3.1, is creating awesome videos with the natural sound effect along with the high quality 1080 downloads. So you can use it to create this kind of ads as many times as possible. So if you think my videos are helping you in some way to upgrade your skill, please hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.